So I hope you're getting excited, huh? So what did we do? We did the CPU and we did the CPU cooler, the legendary Noctua NH-U12A. Well, now we're going to move on. We're going to do memory. That's right. So the memory module, okay? Now, what we have here is 32 gigabytes. 32 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, so if we look here, I'm going to expand even closer. Now, this is right here. These are where you put your memory, okay? So I'm just going to, let's see here. I'm going to pull this back. I'm going to pull this back, pull this back, pull this back. These don't go back. These are already here. So what I'm going to do is we're using this right here. This is G-Skill. This is the memory I use. It's pretty reliable. G-Skill DDR4. Now, what is DDR4? Well, it's a fastest computer memory currently for our desktop computers. Okay, it has 288 pins. So I'm going to open up right now. As I showed you before, I went over DDR4, but I'll do a quick review. So I'm taking it out, and again, here it is right here. And so you look at it, it's 3200, okay? That's the speed. 3200 megahertz, okay? Now, 32 is the kit. I got 32 gigabytes, so I have 4 sticks of RAM, and they total 32 gigabytes. So 4 times 8 is 32. So each one of these is 8 gigabits. Okay, with a CL16, 18, 18, 38, a 1.35 volt. So what I have to do is I'm going to take it out. Now, remember, we always touch the steel. I'm touching the steel under my desk. I drain the static electricity. Always remember that. So I'm taking this out. Got to be gentle. Here. So I got the G-Skill right here. There it is. Closer look. It's fast. It's 3200 megahertz. Pretty fast. See? It's 8 gig, like I said. See? Times 4. So it has an Intel XMP profile, but we're not going to go over that because we have AMD. But these will work fine with our machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. Oh, another thing I'm going to tell you about, it's 288 pins. So if I count all these little things right here, these are pins. These copper pins, there's 288 of them. Very important. So now I'm going to go down here. I'm going to line it up. I'm going to line it up. This is the easiest part. This is the easiest part right now. And then I'm going to push down. This is going to click right here. Actually, I got to flip it. I'm sorry. So right here, there's a notch here. There's a notch here. There's a notch here. Maybe I can zoom in quicker. See that notch? Notch here. Notch here. So when I go here, I'm lining them up. Let's zoom back. I'm going to line them up like this. Here. And here. Then I'm going to press in the middle. I hear a click. There we go. That's one. Same thing with the other one. I'm going to take this. Where's the notch? Notch is here. Pretty cool. Line them up. Make sure you get the notch right. So that's 2. I'm taking out the memory again. Now, you gotta be careful. Oh, notch is here, but notch is here. So I gotta flip this like this. This is the better way. Notch, it's lined up. Gotta put it in here like this. Make sure that everything clicks. Both sides click. One more. So notch. Let's take this. Put that down. Put that down here like this. There. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 32 gigabytes of RAM through 4 sticks of 8 sticks each. So that's great. You have to be excited now. Be excited. Look what we've done. We installed the CPU. We installed the CPU fan to cool the CPU. And now we installed memory.